Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can connect Cloud Code with VSCode. So without further ado, let's get started. Super easy, you just need to press on extensions here and then you just need to write cloud, right? And then probably the first option will be cloud for VSCode. Press install, trust publisher and install, wait for a couple of seconds. Then this new window pops up and then you can go to a Cloud AI subscription or an Anthropic console. So I'll press on Anthropic console and press open. New window pops up and then you need to connect with your account. Of course, this, as you can see here, this feature, I believe is paid. You need to, you need to have a credits to use it, right? So you need to have a pro version of Claude. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like.